Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yes, another week, another video, or a set of videos from Copart Des Moines. We'll be looking at some interesting cars this week. Some of them are sports cars, some of them are family cars. So yeah, there will be 3 or 4 videos depending on how much time I have. And of course guys, every video will contain 2 cars. So yeah, for this video, let's jump to the first one. Alright guys, so the first one here. It's a 2018 Subaru Outback. It has of course like the 2.5 4-cylinder boxer engine. It's the premium package, I think. It has of course all-wheel drive, since it's a Subaru, you know. It has 55,000 miles. It has salvage title. It runs on drives. It said that the main damage is hail damage plus side damage. We'll examine that in a minute. It said that it was involved in 1 accident only, and it's on minimum bid, and currently it's sitting at $1,600. Alright, so let's take a look at this car, see what do we have in here. Inside we have some kind of like smoke smell, maybe. Not leather seats guys, it's cloth seats only, but they are in good shape. There's some dirt, and there's like some glass pieces there from the this window being broken, but other than that I don't see anything that is catastrophically bad. We do have some stuff in here. All right. Oh, we do have 2 sets of keys. That's nice. Okay. Nice touch screen. Probably this touch screen, I think. Yes. All right, so let's take a look at the damage now. The exterior damage. It said hail damage plus side damage. Okay. I don't see. I see like some dents, but they are very small. You can't actually notice them. There's like some scratches in here. The front end in general, guys, it looks very nice. It's not bad at all. There is a dent in here. The mirror here is missing. There are some scratches and dents in here. Dents. This window is broken, as you can see. There are some small dents in here. This tail light is cracked. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is cracked. Oh yeah, here's a better view of it. It's cracked, as you can see, guys. There's a dent in here on the tailgate. Okay. Let's take a look. Oops. Underneath to see if we have any other damage. This here reflector is missing. Okay, but other than that, yeah, it looks in good shape. It is in a good shape in general. Let's take a look at the roof. All right, no sunroof. Huh, that's interesting. There is like some scratch or a scuff actually in here, and a scuff in here. But other than that, I don't see anything else. Okay. All right. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? Before we actually, let's make sure that we have power, so we don't need to jump the car. Yes, we do. So hopefully we don't need to jump the car. So, but before that, let's make sure that we have at least oil in it. All right. Alright guys, so here's it for you. The 2.5 boxer engine. In general, overall, it doesn't look that bad in here. There are some dirt, of course, but that's nothing. Alright, let's see, do we have oil? The oil is dirty, but we do have oil. So that's good. Do we have coolant? Well, I can check the coolant. It's in here, and yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it closed anyways. Okay, let's see if we have enough power to start the engine. Alright, so as I said guys, we have 2 sets of keys. That's nice. So let's see. Okay, steering lock. Alright, here you go. Alright, start it right away. No issues. Okay, let's see if the AC would work. Radio is working. So Yeah, no issues in here. Touch screen, does it work? No, but I'm just... Yeah, actually, yeah, touch screen is working. Controls, they are working. Ice cold AC. Oh, on this hot day, we should have ice cold AC. Okay, that's good. Now let's see why it's like this. Okay, let's keep it this way. Alright, let's see if we have any warning lights. Let the engine run for a minute or so. So far so good, no issues. As I said, guys, the AC is working nice. Windows, main window is working. Other windows working, so automatic as well. Rear windows, they both work. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah, let's see how the engine runs. Yeah, the engine is running smooth, guys. No issues at all. Alright, that's good. So let's just shut that off and let's see how the tailgate is, like the damage on it. As you can see, guys, like there's a dent in here. Okay, and let's see what do we have here in the back. Ooh, okay, but that's good. Like underneath it's clean, and here we don't have much. Alright, so overall not bad. We don't have electronic tailgate, guys. This is just the Outback. Alright, we don't have any smoke, but we'll give it some revs just to be sure. Alright. Yeah, no smoke, engine's running good. Let's see. Put in reverse, you have a reverse camera. Where's the parking brake? I think it's, yeah, it's off. Okay. Yeah, steering feels good. Alright, brakes feels great actually, guys. No issues in here. Alright, so yeah, it's a good running car, guys. So yeah, no mechanical damage or something. It's just heated seat is working as well. I see why, like I feel cold in here, but my butt feels like it's very hot. So yeah, they are working. Everything is working. This car's perfect, guys. So yeah, other than the damage, you have to take care of these dents, and obviously most people will not take care of them. For me, guys, I would just replace this window quarter panel here and just like put a mirror on it and keep the dents as is and run the car forever. These cars are very good, and this car is 2018, has only 55,000 miles, so it should be a good daily driver, guys. So here's it for you, 2018 Subaru Outback. So let's jump to the next one. Here's the next one for you guys. It's a 2010 BMW 750 Li. I know I shouldn't recommend this car to anyone because it has the 4.4 V8 hot V, which is a complete disaster, guys. But okay, let's take a look at this car. As I said, guys, it has like the V8 4.4 twin turbocharged N63 engine from BMW. Like this powertrain gives you like 400 horsepower, but at the same time gives you like 450 pound-feet of torque, which is a lot. But this car is very heavy, keep that in mind. Okay, so it's the 2010 BMW 750 Li. It has 4.4 V8. It's rear drive only, not all-wheel drive, so keep that in mind. It has 207,000 miles, which is a lot. But it has also clean title. It said that it's not running and driving. It said like S, which means that the engine should be running, but it won't go into gear. But we'll see what's the problem here in a minute. It said like the main damage is biohazard, which is in other words, they said like it's like water damage, but I think the car is filthy from inside. That's why I saw from the pictures. I didn't see it from inside so far, but we'll check that in a minute. As I said, guys, it said like biohazard along with water damage. It said that it has 3 owners but 1 accident. It's sitting currently on $0. No one bid on this car so far, and you can buy it now for $2,500. So clean title, 750 Li for $2,500. Worth it? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Do we have any damage here? I think we are missing like the fake diffuser. I think that's what's going on here. All right. The body, guys, overall, of course, like the paint doesn't look okay. There are some scratches in here, and the paint is really bad. This one here, oh, is that plastic? I think it's plastic because it's kind of like cracked in here, and it's not like, yeah, it doesn't like align very well with the light in here. And I can tell that the front fender has been like painted, replaced probably, and painted. We do have some damage in here, guys. Okay. Here, same thing. And it's loose in here, as you can see, guys. This side, well, this side doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, let's take a look inside. Well, it looks disgusting here, but it doesn't smell like very bad. It doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell very bad. We have like child seat and stuff. I know this thing is for like a hidden compartment in the trunk. So definitely, like, there are some stuff going on here. And I can tell we don't have power because I'm pretty sure most BMW 7 Series, they have soft close door, and this doesn't close. So definitely we don't have power. But we'll check that out. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't smell very good in here, guys. As you can see, we have some money here. Okay. All right, we have camera, and we have parking sensors. Okay. What do we have in here? Manual or just like service? Probably just service. Okay. Yeah, do we have power? I don't know. No, nothing at all. Alright, so let me just, guys, connect the jump pack to it, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Alright, so I just connected the jump pack. I didn't hear any noises, but we'll check up front if we have power or not. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot check if we have oil inside or not. All I can do is just like open this, but this means nothing. Yeah, unfortunately, like BMWs, they don't have dipsticks. Okay, not a big issue. So we'll see if the car will run actually or not. So let's see if we have power actually. All that close. Tried. It doesn't work. So the soft close for a driver door doesn't work. Let's see if it works in here. Yes, it does. So it's just the driver's door. Okay. Do we have power? Yep, I see we have power. We have music as well, but we'll just turn that off. Replace remote control battery. Okay. All right, it started, but it's knocking. Oops. That is very bad. Like it really is, guys, very bad. Like this, it sounds horrible. Do we have? Okay. Let's see why it's running like this. Yeah, it's running real bad, guys. Probably that we don't have oil, maybe. But it would say immediately that low oil pressure, but I don't see anything. Drivetrain malfunction, that's always saying. If it's low oil, it would say like low oil and like low pressure oil. Turn that car off or something like this. But that's all I see, guys. Okay. Well, here's the thing. They said that you cannot put it into gear. Let me try just to like give it a couple of revs. Ah, man, it's real bad. It's real. Oh shit. Okay. Well, here's the thing, guys. I'll try just to put it in gear. They said that you cannot put it in gear, but probably that is because there's an unlock here, supposed to be here. But let's see. Well, it went into gear. Oh, it goes, it drives, so. Okay, let's see if it will go backwards. It goes. Okay, yeah, it goes into gear, guys. Probably like the people here at Copart, they just don't know that there's like an unlock button here. But as you can see, guys, it runs real bad. There's something wrong with it. I can't check, of course, like I cannot check what is going on with it. Steering and brakes, they feel good, but as I said, like the engine's running bad and I have to shut it off. I don't want to torture the car. But yeah, it goes into gears, just that people here at Copart, they don't know that there is like an unlock button for like to release the gear from parking to actual gears, like a drive gear. But yeah, it moves, guys. It goes forward, it goes backward, and turns rough, as you heard. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it can be yours for $2,500 if you are interested in checking what this problem with this car. The option list, not much. It's just, yeah, those two. It doesn't even have like a projector. It's just lane departure warning or stuff like that. Alright, yeah, so that's it for you guys. 2010 BMW 750 Li rear-wheel drive. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please guys subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more, and if you like what you see, please guys hit the like button. This will help me a lot to promote for the channel and to grow it more so that I can make better content for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. See ya.